Welcome to the channel. My name is Vanafuti Mbata. So today we're gonna be doing basics for technical drawing. Okay, we'll start by naming our instruments. Okay, we have two set squares. Okay, it's a 45 degrees set square and a 30 by 60 set square, and then we have our t-square, right? Then we have a compass, right? Okay, let us try to move fast. Okay, let's try to move fast. Okay, right here, listening as well, the isometric drawing. We are given an isometric drawing. Okay, if we're coming from this side, it's a front view, it's a side view, and then it's a top view. Okay, then into besicile ukuthi sisidwebela ama views in a first angle orthographic projection. So we all know, or kumele sazi ukuthi ku-first angle orthographic projection la Cartesian plane yethu ngapha ku-top left corner sine front view, then la sine top view ngaso sonke isikhathi, then here we have a side view. Okay, so from our isometric drawing esikubonayo masiqhamuka ngapha front, what we see when you're coming from the front, we put it down here in our Cartesian plane, we draw it as it is. Okay, so we have B, we have A, we have B, we have A. So as we can see, the thing we see when we're coming from the front, it is the L shape, right? And then here we draw what we see when we're coming from the top view. Okay, what we see when we're coming from the top, it is D and F. Okay, it is D and F, right? Then here it's a side view. We draw what we see when we're coming from the side. Okay, when we're coming from the side, we see E and C. E and C. It's a first angle orthographic projection. The views are always like this. Okay, and then we have first angle orthographic projection symbol. Okay, also it is always like this, it doesn't change for a first angle orthographic projection. So if you are given this symbol, automatically you must know that it's a first angle orthographic projection. Your views must be in this manner, right? Your views must be in this manner. All right, let us move to third angle orthographic projection. Okay, now siceliwe ke manje ukuthi lento siyidwebe in a third angle orthographic projection. We have an isometric drawing here. Okay, in a third angle orthographic projection, we have a Cartesian plane. Okay, for that angle orthographic projection, as you can see at the top left corner, we have a top view. At the bottom left corner, we have a front view, and then here we have a side view. So here you draw what you see when you're coming from the top. Here you draw what you see when you're coming from the front, and then here you draw what you see when you're coming from the side, right? For that angle orthographic projection, the views are always like this, they doesn't change. Okay. Okay, the projection symbol for that angle is always like this, it doesn't change. So if you are given something like this in an exam, you must know that it's a third angle orthographic projection. So your views must be like this. All right, okay, let us move and see. Okay, it was an exam for engineering drawing M3. Okay, this projection symbol is for first angle orthographic projection. Okay, let us look at item number 1. We have 2 items. Okay, since it's a first angle orthographic projection, we know that in this side we have a front view and then we have a side view. Okay, for item number 2, it's a front view, it's a side view. All right, by looking at this, it's a front view and a side view. Okay, the top view for item number 1 was not given. We were only given the front and the side view looking from the Cartesian plane. Also for item number 2, we have a front view and the side view. The top view was not given looking from the Cartesian plane. Okay, I think to understand the orthographic projections, it goes a long way. We must not neglect it. All right, in our next lesson, I'm gonna be introducing you to sectional drawing. That's it for today. You can call it a day.